and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the sky of a video in CapCut PC. So as you can see, we have this video right here. We're just going to go to video and we're going to select cutout, select chroma key, and we're going to select the blue part. It is a little bit better if the blue is dark like this since it's easier to take out. Then I'm going to place it on top of another video, for instance this one. And it's going to show like another kind of like sky. As you can see, there's still some of these. You can just adjust the strength a little bit more, but not too much. And if you want to kind of like have the same color as the background, you can do that by pressing on the video on top. Go to adjustments and kind of selecting the same temps. As you can see, it's a little bit purple pink, so you're just going to move the temps to the right, you're going to just move it to the right, and I'm just going to adjust the saturation a little bit. I think I'm gonna leave the brightness and just kind of adjust it with your video because obviously it's gonna be different. But as you can see, I'm just trying to match it with the background and it looks good to me. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!